In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from HubSpot. If you follow along with me, this process should take us roughly about 5 minutes. Now, let's dive into the detailed steps. First things first, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. If you've already got your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter them now. Remember, if you're having trouble with forgotten passwords, HubSpot provides an option to reset it right there on the login page. So no worries if that's the case. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your HubSpot tools and features. Next up, head over to the left sidebar menu. You'll see a list of options there. What you're looking for is the CRM section. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Deals. This will bring up the Deals section where you can manage everything related to, well, your deals. You'll find all your deals displayed here in a list or board format depending on your view preference. Now, before you hit export, you might want to filter out exactly what you want to export. HubSpot gives you a flexible filtering system to narrow down what you're looking to export. Whether you're aiming to export all deals from this month, just those belonging to a specific team, or deals that are at a certain stage of your pipeline, take a moment to apply filters to hone in on the precise data you need. This step is crucial to ensure the export is both efficient and organized. Once you've applied the necessary filters, navigate to the upper right-hand corner of your screen, where you'll find the Export button. Give that button a click. This will trigger a prompt asking you to select your preferred format for the export file. HubSpot usually offers a range of formats such as Excel or CSV, which are pretty universal for data handling. Choose the format that best suits your needs. For those who anticipate working with the data in Excel, the Excel format is a solid choice, while CSV is often preferred for more database-oriented requirements. After selecting your desired format, HubSpot takes over and prepares your file for export. This step processes all the data you filtered out earlier, readying it for download. Depending on the size of your data set, this might take just a few seconds, or if it's a particularly large batch of information, a minute or two. Once it's ready, you'll receive a download link directly from HubSpot, either on the screen or in your email, allowing you to access your file easily. And there you have it, a straightforward and quick method to export your deals from HubSpot. With these steps, you'll have your data ready for any further analysis or reporting needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing.